Shevchenko. 30 in a double, but we're 15 times bigger. I love it. Okay, I don't even see these numbers.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Congratulations. Yes, lovelies. Every win still depends on you guys, how you choose to place your bets. At which moment of the game, darling, yes, indeed. Everything is still in your hands, lovelies. For you to choose how you will be placing those bets, because nobody can give you the win and nobody can take it away from you either. You're the only ones who can get those beauties. And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. TOPSLOT multiplier for guess what? Darlings, we have here crazy time with a 2x multiplier from the TOPSLOT, baby. Let's go. All right, darling. Guess where we are? We are home. Yes, Cindy. And guess what? With the multiplier. Bam. All right, darlings. It is time to rumble. So we are multiplying everything by 2. So, in general, we are doubling things up in here. All right, lovelies. Choose your flapper. The green, the blue, the yellow. Choice is in your hand. All right, ladies and gentlemen, highest multiply now is 200x. Let's bring it on. Let's go for it. All right, lovelies. Come on, bring us a magic.
This is the amount of money issued, 359,285 euros.
Roll, guys. 230 and 40. Yes, mama. Did somebody order 200x multiply for the crazy time? I think you did, darling. So congratulations, baby. Let's go. Yes, indeed, guys. You did manage to get those wonderful and fantastic wins in here, guys. Fantastic. Yes. All right, darlings. Let's see what we can get in here. Crazy time with a 5 times the multiplier. Hi. Welcome, darlings. Hi. Darlings, at a beautiful cash hand, and oh, look at those 100x multis. But wait, ladies and gentlemen, everything just got multiplied by 5. So 500x all over the grid as the highest multiplier. So, ladies and gentlemen, now we do the shaky for all of these beauties. Hide all the multipliers and done. Every single one of you here gonna have one shot. One shot to decide where do you think the highest 500x multipliers are hiding at, because yes, we have a lot of 500x right there. Darling,
this is the amount of money issued, 467,563 euros.
Have a lot of them all over the place. Congratulations. 1,042 of you got the 500x multiplier. Popey, almost.
Studio. How is life? Oh, good. That's good. Just started. You believe in me. DH, you believe in Sophie. 2x on crazy time. I have issue with my left eye. Exactly at the last second they need to change the whole. But it's a crazy time. You see, success never by the straight line. It's all the time by the ups and downs. Welcome. Do you know what's gonna happen now? Yeah? Still I gotta tell you, the whole wheel now gonna double according to this 2x multiplier from the TOPSLOT. Love you, Sophie. C77 high. Love you back. So that's the highest wheel in the world with 64 segments. A little doubles and the triples and 3 flappers, green, blue, yellow, teams. One that looks at you. Let's go, girl. California. Let's go. Max Multi 400. Enjoy.
This is the amount of money issued 600 to 1,000 to 146 euros.
30x yellow and 200x blue. Congratulations, customers. So fun. Hey, some friends, 30,000 or more for you.
Anytime. So close, Anna. Yeah, well, a little close for sure. Let's go. Bets are over. Good luck. $15x for Pachinko. Woo. 15x, 15x for Pachinko. Let's go. Woo! Everybody. Hey, oh, yes! 15x for Pachinko. Oh, come on. Let's see what we'll be working with now. Yeah. Okay, 3x is the minimum. What else do we have here? 7, 10, 15, 20, 35, a 40, and a double, but we're 15 times bigger. I love this. Okay, I don't even see these numbers. You guys see the numbers. Check them out right while I'm going upstairs, okay? Okay, there's so many of them. I can. Okay, whatever. We have a 600x down there somewhere. Okay, 600x. Bada bing, bada boom, come on. Okay, that double will be awesome. Imagine the double. Look at 3.
This is the amount of money issued 1,234,192 euros.
300x, guys. Thank you. 10,476 here. Thank you, Plume. You got 102,000 euros. 102,000 euros. Do you even know how much money that is? 102,000.
152 flavors. No, okay. Move on. One more bag. Good luck. Let's go. Cash on with a 7x now. Come on, let it be cash in. Come on. Oh boy, it is cash in, players, with a 7x. Are you ready? Oh boy, cash in, you are being really sweet to us this session. 3x previously, now 7x. Oh, here we go again, players. Here we go again. Okay, so for now, this is the highest, but brace yourselves, prepare yourselves, because this is gonna be it now. 700x is gonna be the highest humans that you can get in this cash. And oh, look at the board being all yummy and stuff. There was 500 something, 300 something, so many awesome things. Oh boy. Okay. This is gonna be real exciting. Oh boy. Okay, if you're ready, well, the thing is, you gotta find that 700x. You gotta find it. It's someplace on this board, so all the possibilities are there for you. You gotta find it. I believe in you. If you cannot choose, you can rely on out of it. Okay? Okay, no more decisions. No, boy. Oh boy. Let's see.
This is the amount of money issued 1,646,290 euros.
Close to the middle too. So beautiful. This was exciting. My congratulations goes to all of you winners. Beautiful round. What can I say? 10,841 of you all in total won this cash on. Yes. Wow. That is
guys, do you see that? Do you see that? It's gonna get 3 times multiplied. And we get in 1500x. It's a new best of the day. Now the question is, how many of you gonna find it? Boom, baby. Because it's only one of them on the wall. And you got 15 seconds to pick the symbol. If you don't choose anything, the autopic feature will get it for you. So, hey, that's your choice how you want to do it. But keep in mind, we just now managed to score the new best of the day. 1000x, no more. 1500x, hello. Woo, woo. Let me try again.
This is the amount of money issued 189,890 euros.
Out there, my huge congrats to all the winners. 74 people with the 1500x.
You're so good. Come on, look how good gotta be that sparkling wheel with 3x extra tripling for all the multis. Thank you to TOPSLOT. Shakira, oh baby, when it's all So ladies and gentlemen, here's online for sure. A lot of doubles for the triple steal on these highest wheel in the world with 64 segments. And flip-floppers choose one, let's choose green, blue, or yellow. Maximum delivery harness. Bon voyage! Enjoy the dream! Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Long time no seen ya. Green, green, green. Catch double. Green flower catch double. That means the whole wheel gonna double. 600 now, maximum to enjoy. Billy Green Chief, you said that.
This is the amount of money issued 892,441 euros.
300x green, 60x blue, 105x yellow. Sasha, 15,000 more for you, 100 extra, 11,000 more just behind, 12,200 and more players from Total the Strong. That's super hard. I got a fever. It's getting hot in here. Better close. Easy. Lemon squeezy. New round started. You said.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.